In this episode, we will be discussing Arizona Landlord Noncompliance. The Arizona Residential Landlord and Tenant Act allows tenants the following remedies when landlords violate the terms of a lease agreement or provide false information: material noncompliance or falsification. If there is a material noncompliance by the landlord with the rental agreement, including a material falsification of the written information provided to the tenant may deliver a written notice to the landlord specifying the acts and omissions constituting the breach, and that the rental agreement will terminate upon a date not less than 10 days after receipt of the notice if the breach is not remedied in 10 days. It is important to note material falsification includes false information relating to availability of the unit, except when a holdover tenant is in illegal possession or in violation of the lease, the condition of the premises, and any current services as represented by the landlord in writing, and any representation regarding future services and any future changes regarding the condition of the premises, the provision of utility services, and the designation of the party responsible for their payment. Health and safety noncompliance. If there is a noncompliance by the landlord under the laws of our other video titled Arizona Landlord to Maintain Fit Premises, which materially affects health and safety, the tenant may deliver a written notice to the landlord specifying the acts and omissions constituting the breach, and that the rental agreement will terminate upon a date not less than 5 days after receipt of the notice if the breach is not remedied in 5 days. Terminating tenancy for noncompliance. The rental agreement shall terminate and the dwelling unit shall be vacated as provided in the notice, subject to the following: if the breach is remediable by repairs or the payment of damages or otherwise, and the landlord adequately remedies the breach prior to the date specified in the notice, the rental agreement will not terminate. Or the tenant may not terminate for a condition caused by the deliberate or negligent act or omission of the tenant, a member of the tenant's family, or other person on the premises with the tenant's consent. Damages and injunctive relief. Except as provided in this Arizona Act, the tenant may recover damages and obtain injunctive relief for any noncompliance by the landlord with the rental agreement or with the laws of our other videos titled Arizona Tenant Early Lease Termination and Arizona Landlord to Maintain Fit Premises. This remedy is in addition to any right of the tenant arising under the earlier subsection, material noncompliance or falsification. For additional laws and articles, visit AmericanLandlord.com.